So today's what we're planning on doing is getting the truck out and cleaning it. There was commentary here that day, but the mic decided to want to disconnect. So see, you can tell original paint color. It painted once. Dad had that. Pretty sure that's factory. Factory weight reduction. That's a race truck now. A smidge crispy. Yeah, ignore that hose. That was a temporary fuel line because the tank is missing. All right, well, get y'all back in the stand. We'll deal with the engine. Birdie and Oakley say hi. Oakley, Birdie. He'll stay around the house. He, however, will not. Hence the chain. So, all right. Let's pop this hood and get in here. Yeah, what do I remember it being? Bring y'all in there for a second. That would be the original engine, 302, boat anchor basically, 84, full of smog and whatnot. But it is the original engine and transmission out of this truck. I remember it having rod knock, which we'll see when I get it running again. It does turn over. I've been in upcoming videos, but let's get it cleaned up in here. It's a little crispy. A little dirty. This thing I gotta gas again. Better. Take a look. Provide us a handy little emissions vacuum line diagram. Fairly certain we won't be using any of that. But as you can see, the lip of the hood is also rusted. And there. A little rust around the hinge. What could go wrong? She's a little cleaner. Not by much. But anyways. Well, thanks for watching. In a future episode, we'll see if we can get her running.